Engko.
First look, ay.
Hi guys.
Let's eat, guys.
Dinner guys. Sarap. Hindi makita. Ayun. Carbonara. Ay.
And it's all.
Hot sauce. Thank you. That's why. This one tasty when there is hot sauce. Wala na body price niyan. Tara lang. Nice sauce.
Grabe. Ilan lang? Ilan yung kabisang buhay ng talaga? Yung kabayo ko.
Ano ba niya?
Ito kaya?
Sarap.
Hindi mo buka.
Ano na?
90.
Yun na eh.
Ito yung buhay.
Ulit na.
Ano lang sa ito?
Bila. Hindi pa ano. Guys, di ba nila mga kapatid ng dita?
Pwede siya natin.
Kasi 90 guys. Ay sir. Mashallah. You and me we don't know it.
Yeah. Pwede mo tayo sa hatin na ito. Pwede. Lahat mo na.
Like my mother no. Because when he cut the wood, the kind of my sister son like this come back. Shoot the bird. I don't know why coming back. Ice.
Maybe. I'm having this one.
No. He said when he shoot the bird, this one come back to it. Ice. Ano yung sabi? Dito na dapat. Please. Ano ba mo?
Ito sa yun.
Right? Right?
Sorry, sorry.
Thank you. Saan ka siya? Marami ko na test, ha?
Bisa mo isi. Bisa. Iya, bisa.
Ano ba na?
Lalat pas. Ano? Mantap.
Sige na, take it. Wala, it's so hot. Ano yan? Oh,
No, just really.
hindi akay. 30 seconds, it's hot. Sarap ba?
Ito pa yung ano.
Ito yun. Ay, ito sorry, kasi ito ito. Ano yung kami?
Okay.
Hindi ako pala. Sabi ko buti nga hindi mo lakit. Asa na bida. Buti nga. Kasi ako naman, hindi ko naman. Suwada. Hindi ko naman. Suwada. Yeah. Yeah. Dami ulam. Jumbo. Jumbo guys. Friend.
Ay, kamu hindi ko natin. Wait, wait.
Ano yan?
Ha? Bakit mo sa amin kasi kami?
Bakit na? Hindi na? Bakit na? Bakit na?
Hindi ba kita yung ay sa boss niya?
Manish ba? Very far. It's not you. That is video, not picture. Happy birthday to you. Share. Cut. And for thank you. This is expensive. This is expensive. For us, only like this we can afford. But the whole thing, as big as this,
Yeah.
300 riyal.
This one?
Give me the 300 riyal. if they give me like this cake, I said, give me the cash. And the cake. I will make it.
Yeah. I will buy.
Like that.
No, after.
Too much walnuts. You know this one piece when I go with Chika eating lunch outside and I don't know what in restaurant. After eating ka, may bawat one sweet. I said cake, this one cake. That time, maybe 7 years ago, one cut 30 riyal. 30 riyal.
So much expensive.
I want to tell you, give me the 30 riyal. Too much. No, too much sweet. The coconut, young coconut sweet. May coconut siya.
Inside.
Ayun. Kaya pa nang nalasahan ko.
Thick one.
Coconut.
That's why too much expensive.
Ala. Ay, bibas. How can I reduce?
Too much sweet.
I want to become small. Baba doctor? Okay, last time I went there. Doctor! Wow! I said, you become 10. She said, oh, you recognize me? I said, of course. She was, wala. I said, I'm 29 kilos lost.
Pino?
Yung doktor ni Lolo. I said, what do you mean? Yeah, exercise and diet. Because if diet only, no.
Oh yeah, exercise also.
Diet cannot reduce.
Yeah.
Nothing more. How can we move? Eating but then watching. Watching all the eyes and body in this mobile.
Yeah. You are all.
Even children. Mafi go sunlight now inside the house only mobile.
Nephew, no need to, take care of them. No, you put cell phone,
Ang
cars.
kalat.
You know this.
Before when I was small, go outside.
No, even the sun are there, running.
When come back, all dirty, my mother angry. Now children inside the house only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before, mother, too much muscular if the children always outside.
Yeah.
And playing
play,
sa
play.
all.
Now,
Yeah.
Now the
Even
problem, you know the problem of mother now, children not go out.
Yeah. Watching mobile.
Only.
Playing mobile. Yeah, before no have mobile. And they're playing all train coming outside.
Yeah.
After playing, oh my God.
Yala.
No. Cool. After sweet eat, my teeth pain.
Try only.
Oh my God.
She's happy. You know the story about this? His super best friend, they grow old together. Then that best friend died.
Yeah, he's
From this song, you happy without me. The
Yeah,
best
yeah,
friend
this one.
happy in heaven without him.
So,
Umiyak si Cowell kasi.
trying to
Simon Cowell crying because
feel bad.
no, her mother passed away.
Ah.
This audition, before coming here, her mother died.
Emotional.
Which was her emotion, you know. Umiyak si Simon.
Diyos ko, kung ako lang serious na manood dyan, iyak din ako ah.
Nag-iyakan silang lahat ate. Pati ito, babae. Tignan mo si Simon. Iyak si Simon, oh. Kawawa naman si Simon.
Kasi napili yung lyrics. That's all for today.